6 o'clock. Now I'm going for a walk and taking this water bottle to the garden because I planted some tree, and which whenever I go for a walk, that time I carry water with me. See, this is a 1 liter of water. I'm going to water the plant. I will show you the what kind of tree I have planted. 1 year back actually I have planted, but still it is not grown yet. Afterwards maybe it will grow faster. And now it's begin summer, about to begin the summer season. See, lots of people came for a walk, and I have come here and shown. Yeah, this is our garden. See, this is a jackfruit I planted 1 year back when I went to West Bengal, and returning from there, that time I bought some seeds and planted over here, and one of the plant is there. I can go by that side. Yesterday I was there on the top floor, okay, on the terrace, and I was showing the flower is blooming. You can see there is the tree, and you can't see from here. Yeah, maybe little bit visible there. Here also see the red flower. And yesterday I was showing from the top of the floor, but now I am here on the ground. This is the backyard and this is my flat, and here I am now. I need to water more plant. Every day I do these things whenever I come for a walk. And see, there is a curry plant, and here is another plant. Actually it is little far, that's why I'm not able to water it. And this one I have planted. Gardener actually water it of the plant, so whatever happened, but every day. And I keep this bottle hang on a scooty. See, after finishing my walking I will take it back. Okay, this is the garden. You can see a playground. There are lots of different kind of plant over there. This is the mango, this is the custard apple, many, and this is the, what kind of tree is that? Neem tree. What is the English of neem tree? I don't know. I have to search. Okay, in the morning today I came little earlier, I came little earlier. See, I came for a walk. Hello everyone. I have watered the plant. Now I will walk around the society. This is the road, and this is the behind of the flat. All the flats are like that. Maybe I walked one round around the society. I need to do more. I try to walk for an hour. Okay, if I come to 6 o'clock, I monitor. If it is 1 hour, then I stop. Otherwise I continuously try to walk. It makes me feel nice, and some kind of tinkling happen all over my body, and it's feel nice that the walking is the walking is really helping you different way. So when people pass, then I really feel uncomfortable to record myself, So thank you so much for watching.